On this episode of TFoxe in the E320.
For the first time, I tried out Beyond Paint. I'm going to give you my opinion about it, as well as show you how the project went. I had my favorite client call me, and she wanted to try out the Beyond Paint. It was my first time using it, so here's my review on it. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think.
My whole life I had to fight, but I'ma kill it dead, ain't no beating me. Nah, all my life, yeah, I had to fight. Shit, let go. All my life, yeah, I had to fight, yeah, but I'ma kill it dead, ain't no beating me. All my life, yeah, I had to fight, but I'ma kill it dead, ain't no beating me. Who gon' stop me? I'm on my own clock. 10 years, 20 years, yeah, I won't stop. 30 years, 40 years, yeah, I won't stop. Grown ass man, I'm on my own clock.
Hope that won't be close. Alright, so I ain't bring y'all back on for all that, but I painted the inside of the cabinet. Basically, I went all inside of the trim, edges. That was done, but I did the edges of the shelf so we can give it that full custom look. And they all drying, so. And if you wondering why the stuff is right there, because it's super cold outside. So I should be looking out in these people's house and everything, but they you know, I got stuff sitting out the way a little bit. If y'all like this color right here, man, I'm gonna try to link it in the description. But let's show y'all what type. So just so you know, and I don't really, ain't no sponsorship or none of that, but Beyond Paint. That's what that was, Beyond Paint. See that, quick, easy. Look, no stripping, no sanding, no priming. You don't have to do nothing. You can go from wood to what you see right there. Yep. So this is my review on the Beyond Paint. I like it. From what I see, you know what I'm saying, it comes out pretty good. You know what I mean? Besides the shadows y'all see, you know what I mean? Makes the cabinet give it a nice smooth finish. So you could, if it was, say you can use this stuff on countertops, but y'all see how smooth it is. You see, back up a little bit. So, anyway, man, it's my video. This is it. Maybe one day I'll come back when the cabinet's all dried up and I'll show y'all the true finish. But pretty much y'all see it, guys. That's what it is. Y'all saw it from the beginning up until now. If you like this video, man, throw that joint a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Turn on the bell so you can get all of the cinematic views coming near you. And if you watching this, man, I appreciate you more than you know. I'm out. Peace. What I do, what it, ooh, I almost hit a big old hole, boy. It's your man, Mr. _Fox, man. On my way to the crib. Look. It's been a pretty cool day though, man. I can't complain, man. How y'all feeling? How y'all living, man? Look. I'm on my way to the crib, boy. This day been pretty laid back, man. But I just wanted to tap in to shout out all the new subscribers to the channel, man. Man, we trying to turn up, like, you know, turn up big time for this whole year, you know what I'm saying, or whatnot. But man, I just wanted to come on and motivate some of the brothers, man. Like, look, whatever it is, guys, get to that bag, and I do mean by in a positive way, you know what I'm saying? Taking some from somebody, robbing and stealing and all that, to all our young brothers, man, it's a better way. You know what I mean? An old guy once told me, man, it's money in the leaves and it's money in the trees. So, you know, you can always go and pick up tree limbs, rake yards, cut grass. It's so much and so many ways to, you know what I'm saying, to get this bread, guys. You don't have to do, you know what I'm saying, you don't have to go and sell no dope and rob nobody and all of that to get no money. You know what I'm saying? Take it from somebody who's been there and done it, who thought that was the way out, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of the older brothers like myself, man, shit, we done screwed up enough. Well, y'all don't have to do that, you know what I'm saying? Once you had somebody to be the example for you, man, you don't have to do that. You know what I mean? Shout out to Grove, like he said, man, go get you, you know what I'm saying, get you, stack up some paper and buy some properties or something, you know, give yourself something to do. And I know everybody can't just go and do that, but what you can do is what you can do. You know what I'm saying? Find your way with your hustle and what it is that you bring to the table. And, you know what I'm saying, pray really, and have faith in what you're doing in yourself. Believe in God first of all, and you know what I'm saying, and ask him to guide you through your journey of this old life that we all going through, man. But man, hey, look, you see what I mean? Everybody out here, look, they doing plenty of work. It's folks out here, you know, like, look at all these leaves, man. You know what I mean? Tell me you can't go and rake up some leaves, because a lot of us don't want to rake the leaves out of our yard, but we'll pay for somebody else to do it. You know what I mean? So I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, spit some positivity on y'all day, man. You know what I'm saying? While me and my old boy Lorenzo, the Benzo, out here, man, getting, yeah. So, man, I ain't even finna beat a dead horse or nothing like that, man. I just wanted to come on and give y'all a little bit of motivation, man. Just a couple minutes of motivation, man. It's your man, Mr. _Fox, man. Look, I'm gonna be bringing a whole lot of heat to the channel, man. Look, I'm talking about we going all the way up. I'm gonna be dropping plenty of videos, and as we go, I'm gonna build the time back up, because I don't want to bore you guys, man. You know what I'm saying? So if you got a son, if you got a brother, you got a friend that needs to hear some positivity, man, send them to my channel. It's your man, Mr. _Fox, boy. We turning up all 2020, and make sure y'all go and get the merch. Get the merch off the site, man. It's in the link of all of my videos. You know what I'm saying? I keep some dope gear, so you know what I mean. We keep dope gear, man, and we got the best air fragrance in the world. Spray your bathroom, spray your car, and if you got that, you know what I'm saying, you trying to kill a little bit of that, we got something for all of that, man. Gas mates, check in, baby. It's your man, Mr. _Fox, man. I'm out.
Who gon' stop me? I'm on my own clock. 10 years, 20 years, yeah, I won't stop. 30 years, 40 years, yeah, I won't stop.